Okay, 9 vans to 6 pickup trucks. Here we go. Let's just start. Wilson, you got any that you got the garbage out yet?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
All right, let's go. Aiden, why don't you just do number 1? What's the answer? We'll give them time.
I got
A, 3/2. All right, 9/6 reduces to 3/2. A is good. All right, next, number 3. Yes, $15 per DVD. All right, again, you're just doing 75 divided by 5. Perfect. All right, number 5. Which bottle of water costs more per ounce? Remember, they're asking which one costs more per ounce.
the 12-ounce one.
Why?
Because when you divide $1.25 from $1.25 12, you get
I'm listening.
0.1041666.
Okay, and then what about?
Rounded, so it just 0.10, so just 10 cents for that one, and then for the 16 ounce, divide 1. And then you divide that by 16, and you get 0.9. Yeah, 0.9 cents.
You mean, okay,
So that ultimately means 12 ounces cost more.
yes. All right, so here they're not looking for the cheapest one, which is kind of annoying. What?
I was confused because like they're just like I thought they would. I thought they would do the exact same.
Well, take $1.25 and divide it by 12. And then take $1.50 and divide it by 16. I don't think that's the same.
I guess.
Check and see.
I don't know.
All right, so I'm good with that. All right, Mikey, you're up, number 7. 15 feet is approximately how many?
4.57.
4.57 meters. Are we okay with 7 being 4.57 meters? Okay. Number 9. No, I didn't skip anything. Nothing. I skipped nothing. What are we doing? I said we're going to go through the odds first. All right. Sophia, express the ratio.
I thought 7 pencils to 8.
7 pencils to 8 erasers. That is correct. All right. Yes, I want you to write pencils to erasers. All right, number 11. What do we got?
1 black sock to 2. 1 black sock out of 2 socks. And 1
Yep.
half.
Very good. All right, number 13. What do we got, Addison?
5 notebooks for $3.75. So $3.75 divided by 5. And we got 75 cents per notebook.
75 cents per notebook. I like that. All right, number 15.
We do 4.50 over 3,
Yep,
and you get 1.5 and dollars over 10.
yes, exactly. $1.50 per ball. There you go. Simple as that.
Market has $1.60 for 1 dozen of eggs. How many dozens of eggs can you buy for $6.22? 6.40 minus 160, right? I mean, divided by
Yes.
roughly. 4.
4 is correct. 4 dozen. Very good. Anybody have any issues with that? Yes, sir.
I didn't really understand it.
Okay, so basically what we're saying is 1 dozen costs $1.60, right?
Okay.
So do you agree 2 dozen would be $3.20?
Yes.
You with me? And if you wanted to continue the pattern, right, you could just say 3 dozen is equal to 480. Now, basically what we're doing is we're saying, if I have 1 dozen is $1.60, right? then how many could I buy? So you want to take the 640 and you want to divide it by the 160, and that'll tell you how many dozen you can buy. Okay,
Okay,
all right. Where am I at now?
I have a question.
Yeah.
You have an extra release. Like mine doesn't list it.
I'll put one on notability for us. Okay, I'll reprint it in a minute. Okay, so I'm at 19. Who's up for 19 now?
You are Maggie. Oh, 120.
Yes, 1/20 is good. All right, again, 2/5 divided by 8 is the same as 2/5 times 1/8. Very good. All right, so now 21. Where are we at? Hubs, go.
I didn't actually get here's for a stop. So what you do is you would add these two and then you divide by 2.
No, it's asking miles per hour. That means you divide the miles by the hours. You divide the miles by the hours. How many miles did you go?
How many miles?
And then you divide it by the hours. All right, and do that. Anybody else get 7 2/3 miles per hour? Is that right? Okay,
Okay,
you get to do 23.
bought 2 1/2 pounds, 3 1/2 pounds, and I did 14 divided by 3 1/2, and I got $4 a pound.
Yes, 14 divided by 3.5 is how much?
$4 a pound.
$4 per pound. Very nice. Okay, Wilson, 25.
So, so you divide 5 by 1 and 1/4,
Why?
because you want to see how much they ran every minute.
Kilometers
Oh, yeah,
per
yeah,
minute. That's what you're looking
they
for.
ran 1/4 of a kilometer every minute for
Right.
Jimmy.
No. So what I'm saying is you want to divide the kilometers by the minutes.
Oh, okay. That's what I got, 1 1/4 for Jimmy. Every
1 and 1/4
1/4.
divided by 5.
It's 1/4 for,
So it's going to be 1/4 of a kilometer per minute.
yeah.
Okay,
And then you would do Rachel by 2 and 1/2 divided by 12,
mhm.
and that equals 5/24.
Okay, so now you got an interesting thing. You got to figure out, is 1/4 or 5/20?
He ran like more,
How do I know that?
because if you just do it times 4, it only gets to 20 and not 24.
Well, one way is to get a common denominator here,
I mean, yeah, but
right? So that would make him 6 out of 24. So he is going faster, right? Or you can divide 6 by 24 and 5 by 24. Okay, so again, Jimmy is okay. Aiden, you okay? All right. So 27, tell us. That's okay, just read it to us, let's figure it out.
So you're 11 miles per hour, so
Right, so you had to look, so you have 11. I want you to write down 11 miles per hour. And I want to convert that to feet per hour. You with me? So now we got to look up how many feet in a mile. Look that up real quick. And you should be getting better at these units as you're looking them up. Shh. What does it say? How many feet in a mile?
It says 0.1 or 0.001.
No, but you just figured out how many feet in a mile. Like 1 foot is equal to that many miles. We want to know how many feet are in a mile. You found out the other way. How many miles in a foot?
That's 5,080.
Yeah, 5,280. You with me? So if you can go 5,280 feet every 1 mile, if you go 11 miles, what would it be?
58,080.
Everybody get that? 58,080, and then that would be feet per hour. Are you okay with that? All right, not too bad. Anybody have any questions? All right, so now back up here, Aiden. You have to tell me ounces to grams. 1 ounce. Can you tell me 1 ounce is how many grams?
28.3495.
Okay, so what's my answer now?
B.
B is correct. Anybody have any issues? Now, Hub, get up and get over here and sit down right over here. I'm gonna make this your permanent seat. All right, sit right over here so I can watch you. All right, I don't appreciate it. All right, I'm trying to study. You over there messing around. All right, here we go. 1 quart is how many liters? And then Jacob, you're getting ready to do 33, so I want you to be able to tell me how many grams is an ounce. Holland, did you tell me this one? 1 quart is how many liters?
1 quart is 0.946353.
Okay, so now what do I do?
So I got A.
A. Could you just multiply that by 42.8, right? All right, everybody okay with that? Okay, 33, next. How many grams?
28.35 in an ounce,
1 gram is equal to, tell me again?
28.35, I rounded.
Okay, so then,
Then I got C.
what? You have 250 grams.
Oh, yeah.
Shh. So what I do?
Multiply them. This
Yeah.
time I got A. I just think I made a mistake.
Yeah, that's okay. It's not a big deal. That's why we're practicing. That's why we're practicing. The answer is A. All right, yes, Aiden, what?
For 1 gram, I got 0.035274 ounces.
Uh-oh, we got a problem here. Let's double check that again, because Aiden has something different. Everybody double check that, please. Tell me what a gram is. 1 gram is how many ounces? Did you look that up again? Look that up for me. Because he says there's a mistake. He got something different. His is telling him 1 gram is equal to what? What did you say, Aiden?
0.035274.
I got 20. That's what I got.
Right? So then that's not correct. Thank you. Come on, guys. All right, so I'd multiply that by what? 250. Tell me what that is, Aiden.
B.
B? Yeah, that makes much better sense.
Oh,
We looked at like the formula.
Thanks. You okay with that? Okay. All right, Mikey, tell me meters to miles.
I got A.
1 meter is roughly what? I want to know 1 meter is equal to how many miles?
(0.0000621 miles).
How many zeros? 0.000? And then what?
621.
621 miles, which is correct. So now what did I do?
Multiplied by 145.
And did anybody else get A? Everybody's good with that? Yes, ma'am.
Are we gonna have multiple choice on the test?
Some of it is. I think there's like 35 questions. And I think 15 are multiple choice and 20 are not. I think that's what it was.
Are we gonna be able to look up the conversion?
Yes, that's what I said. Absolutely. Absolutely. All right. That's fair. Okay. I think that's good. Sophia, I'm not expecting you to know those. All right.
60 students in the 8th grade, 24 participate in a school sport. Express this ratio as a fraction instead of twice. So it'd be 24 over 60,
24 over 60.
which is 2/5.
Yep, 2 out of 5. That's pretty easy. All right, Lila, you're up. 39.
Some of guys on certain things. If he has $4.50. Try to survive in a lot.
Yes, easy. Thank you, kiddo. Very good. It's just 450 divided by 0.25. And what did you get? 18. All right, I'm happy with that. All right, 41.
Which fraction represents the ratio of solutions at a percentage?
Yeah, let's have not so much trouble with that, please. All right, Mad Max, you're up. 43.
32.82 divided by 3,
You're amazing. What is that?
and you get $0.94 per potato.
Yep. I like it very much. Okay. No, it's okay. Totally okay with me. 45. What does it say? Hold on. What?
Then what would be the answer for 42? Oh, wait, no, we're not.
All right, we'll try to get to it. All right, but we're going to do the odds.
Which rate is equivalent to 60 miles per hour?
60 miles per hour. So basically I need to convert miles to kilometers, right? So I want 1 mile equals how many kilometers? Look up miles to kilometers for me.
Oh, 1.60934.
1 point what?
60934.
Okay. And then what?
I would divide by 6.
No, 1 mile is this now. Come on now. If 1 mile is this, I need 60 of these, right? So that means I need 60 of these. You with me, right?
That's 96.5600.
Yeah. Right. So I'm looking at A. Do you agree with me?
Wait, not that. Oh, because
It rounded, right? Yep. Come on now. Tomorrow's big. Okay. So you would tell me if you don't know something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on now, please. All right. 47. Here we go, Maggie.
37.
So how much is a burrito?
It's $7.50.
Right. So it's $7.50 per burrito.
Yeah.
So tell me which one of those is not accurate.
A.
Everybody okay with that? Anybody else have trouble with that? Because you can just divide all 4 of them, correct? Anybody have any issues? All right, where am I at?
Me.
No, hold on. You're gonna work hard now. All right, I'm gonna let him do this one. 49.
6 cups the front works.
Yeah, it's definitely not A, right?
Yeah.
Because you got to tell me how many
quart, it's 0.25 quarts to 1 cup.
So
8, so 0.25
0.25 what?
times 5.
Mm, wait a minute. I'm not sure I like that.
Times 6.
Tell me what your conversion is there. What did you look up?
Cups to quarts.
So what does it say?
1 US cup is
1 cup is equal to
0.25.
0.25 quarts, correct?
Yeah.
So how many cups do you have?
6. So
So multiple,
5 times 6.
yes, what is that?
And that is
1.5 quarts, right?
Yeah.
To 5 quarts. Okay, now you have a decimal and a fraction. You really can't do that. So divide that out for me. 1.5 divided by 5. Where's your calculator? Come on. You know what I'm saying or not?
Yeah.
1.5 divided by 5. Okay, so what's 0.3 as a decimal?
You mean a fraction?
Fraction, yes, sorry.
3 times.
Yes, sir, thank you. All right, 3/10. Anybody have trouble with that? Now, you could have changed 5 quarts to cups and got the same fraction, right? Okay, Nora,
So I was reading by this, I found out 65 miles an hour.
that's right. 325 divided by 5. Tell me again, it's what?
Before 65 miles an hour.
65 miles per hour. Okay, Wilson.
72 kilometers per hour.
Right, so I need to know what is 1 kilometer. How many,
Kilometers equal to
how many miles?
0.621.
Okay, so if I have 72 kilometers, what do I do?
You multiply it by 72.
Okay, and what'd you get?
44.787.
So correct answer is,
No, 45.
right. Okay. So 55.
So I think the answer is D.
Okay, I'm happy with you. So tell me why.
So I divided 5 by 1 1/4.
Yes, and what'd you get?
4.
Uh-oh. But it says which of the following is not equivalent? True? So now do the top one and tell me what that is. Same process, right?
Yeah.
This question's on the test. It's kind of annoying because you got to read carefully.
4.
Okay, so that's not the answer, right?
8.
So the answer is, yeah. You good on that? See how silly that problem is, right? And part of the reason why I like doing that is because on the standardized test, that's what they do. All right, a lot of silly stuff. You got to read carefully, please. Most of the time we know how to do things. What?
I'm kind of confused.
Well, the rate is 4 miles per hour. B is not 4 miles per hour. So that's why it's the answer. This is 4 miles per hour. This is 4 miles per hour.
How do you know that?
Because she has a calculator. She did it. You divide miles by hours, and that'll tell you the answer. Right? Where's your calculator?
Oh, that's it.
You want to borrow one real quick?
Yeah.
It's in that. I bought a couple, like 3 extras. So pull it up. Okay. Now, Wilson, did you go?
Yeah.
All right. So back up here, Aiden.
I did 66 divided by 450.
Because the cow's heart is 66 and the hamster is what?
450.
Tell me what that reduces to.
Point 146 repeating,
But we want as a fraction.
then it would be 11/75.
I think it's 11/75. Do anybody else get 11/75? Okay. So now 59. All right, what are we thinking here, kiddo?
So I divided 5 and 60 divided by 4.
Yes, so 560 divided by 4 would be what?
1.4.
$1.40 per what? Per gallon, right? But I only want what? Half gallon.
So divided by 1/2.
What's the answer? I want to see what you do.
Wait.
You see what I'm saying? It's not dividing by a half. It's either multiplying by 1/2 or dividing by 2.
I got 1
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. 70 cents. Do you understand what I was telling you, right? All right, 70 cents per gallon. I like it. All right, Jacob, come on. 61, we're doing good.
Alright. Lobby began working on a computer program. After 7 1/5 hours, having completed 20 1/10 line of code. What is the unit rate programming per hour?
Code per hour. So what do I have to do here?
We gotta divide 20 1/10 by 7.1.
Yes, 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 that's exactly right. Everybody do that now. Notice what he said, code per hour. That means the code is first. Make sure you have your calculator and you're doing the division. What do we got here, buddy?
All right, I got 2 in 19/24.
Anybody else get that?
Mhm.
Lines per hour. Okay, Mikey, you're on 63. Go ahead and read it to me.
Addison wants to make cookies for his little sister for Christmas. He's cutting a roll of cookie dough in pieces that are 1/3 inch thick. The roll is 15 inches long. How many cookies can she make? So 15 divided by 1/3.
Yes, 15 divided by 1/3 equals what?
45.
45 cookies. All right, I'm happy with that. All right, 65. Go ahead, Wilson. I'll let you do this one.
Oh, yeah. Wilson runs 2 nights, a mile, 20 minutes. How much, 20 and 20 divided by 2, 9.
Stop. You're going to make a terrible grade tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, it's miles per minute. So, 2 and 9/10 divided by 20.
Okay, what is that?
29/200
What does that mean?
miles per minute.
Yes, better. Okay, yes, ma'am.
If we put a decimal, we're gonna get points off it.
You, I would definitely. No, listen, I just want you to know, I don't care, really. It's the same, but we're talking about fractions. Right? So on your calculator, you know how to convert that, right? Just hit, so, and it's easy. All right. All right, here we go. Okay, Lily, you're up.
Wait, I think it's Sophia's turn. Wait. And I'm not Lily.
I know. Yes,
Okay.
I skipped Sophia
9.
because she's 64 or
Lily
something.
has a home loan with an interest rate of
Dang it.
9.25%. Write the percentage of the fraction in simplest form.
Go.
So I got 9 and 1/4.
Yes, 9 and 1/4, then what? Wait a minute. So you got to write it as a fraction. So 9 and 1/4, then what?
You write it as an improper form?
So it'd be over, remember percent is divided by 100.
Oh, over 100.
You with me?
Yeah.
So it'd be what? 9 and 1/4. Everybody,
37 over 400.
anybody else get 37 over 400? Everybody okay with that? 37 over 400?
37 over
No, because a percentage, remember, you got to think back to a couple units ago, we did percentages, percent meant out of 100. So that's why you do, if you want, you can do 9.25 divided by 100 and then convert it to a fraction. You good on this?
Why are we trying to by, why are we like multiplying by 4?
Why are we multiplying it by?
Yeah, 37 over 400 is just 90. Oh, you got, that's how you got it. Okay.
You okay?
I'm just kind of confused over like why you have to write out 37 over 400.
Because we're writing the percent as a fraction.
Yeah, but 9 and 1/4 over 100 is a fraction.
No, it's a complex fraction.
Oh, 9 and 1/4. Oh, yeah, sorry.
So that's why you have a calculator. You can do 9 and 1/4 divided by 100 and see what it is. All right. Go ahead. You can do 69.
Okay. Nora drove 80 miles in 256 hours. What is the miles per hour? And so 80 miles and then divided by
Yes.
256 equals 30 and 10, 13 miles an hour.
And what is that?
30 and 10, 13 miles an hour.
Say it again.
30 and 10, 13 miles an hour.
Is everybody okay with that?
Mhm.
Any issues? Any issues? Oh, what time's the bell ring? Yeah, we got 10 minutes. Let's just go ahead and finish it up, right? We'll just start with the evens now. All right. Let's see how you did. Go back. Let's go back to the evens. Shh, 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 shh. All right. So Sophia, let's let you go. Number 2, 7 over what? Yeah, 14 out of 18 is 7 out of 9. Beautiful. All right. Addison, tell me, number 4.
3 words in 5 minutes is 60 words per minute.
Yes. 60 words per minute. Thank you. All right, Max, tell me, buddy.
Doing 1/4 divided by 1 and 1/4 and get 1.8.
Anybody else get 1.8 miles per hour?
Yes.
All right, that's good.
No, I got 2.
Try it again. Use your calculator. 2 and 1/4 divided by 1/4. You agree with me on this now? Two ABC1, ABC4. Come on. Divided by 1 ABC1, ABC4. You got it now? Hubs, you got it now?
Yeah.
All right. So now 11 gallons. Tell me, you're doing number 8. 11 gallons is how many liters?
4.60.
Anybody else get that? So tell me again, I want this. 1 gallon is equal to how many liters? Look it up. Tell me again real quick. 1 gallon is how many liters? I'm not saying that's correct. What? Oh, so he was close. There's just a little bit. Maybe you just can't read your writing or something.
And I got 4.5.
4 point what?
54609.
Is that right? 1 gallon is that right? 1 gallon is, what is it? Look it up. Tell me. 1 gallon is how many liters? Tell me, Aiden.
3.7.
Hey, we're doing something. 3 point what?
78541.
Hey, now make sure you look that up because tomorrow you're gonna have to look information up. You have to say 1 gallon equals how many liters?
It wasn't US.
Oh, okay. You see it now? All right. Okay, so that brings me, Maggie, you can do number 10.
105/4 calculated 6 meters.
I'm okay with that. All right. Okay, now number 12. Hubs, go.
I got 22 and 27.
22 over 27.
Yeah.
Is everybody okay with that?
Mhm.
All right, Nora, you tell me about 14.
Okay, 365 miles for 15.1 gallons. I got 24 miles a gallon
Because you did
because I did.
365 divided by 15.1, right?
Yeah.
Well, tell me what that is.
24 miles per gallon.
Is that right? 24 miles per gallon. Anybody else get that?
I thought it was gallons per mile. Yeah. It said miles per gallon.
Well, I think so. Generally, we say miles per gallon, not gallons per mile. Do you agree with me? So in this case, I think it's wanting miles every gallon. You with me or not? All right, so it's 365 divided by 15.1. Aiden,
It would be 24.2.
yeah,
I think I already rounded it off.
yeah, so come on,
Yeah,
24.2. Thank you for that correction. Wilson, 16.
I got it right, so I'm just gonna leave it, but
What did you get? I'll tell you if you got it right.
10 hours.
Try it again.
Yeah, that's not bad. It would be. Um. 8 hours.
Yes, 8 hours. Does anybody need help with that? So look, so here's one way to do it. If you can do 24 miles in 2 hours, if you want, you could just divide by 24. And that would be 1 mile is equal to 1/12 of an hour. Do you agree with that? And you went what? 96 miles. So you just multiply that by 96, just what we've been doing. Does that make sense, right? Now, another smart way to do it is just say, okay, I don't know how many people know this, but I knew that 24 times 4 was 96. You see that? So I just multiplied the number of hours by 4. And that'd be the same answer. But again, I don't care to do that. I care that you understand if I'm going 24 miles in 2 hours, right? 1 mile is the same as 1/12 of an hour. Okay. Yes, Max.
Didn't understand number 12.
All right, let me look at 12 real quick. So you just have to tell me how many quarts in a pint, right? For every quart, there are 2 pints. 1 quart equals 2 pints. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And that's why if we have 11 quarts, it's going to be 22 pints. You agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, Mackenzie, what's 18?
I got 2 and 2.
Yes, 2 2/3, but I prefer that you say it's 8/3. Just convert it to improper fraction for now. And then Aiden, tell me about 20.
Well, they got it 1/10.
1/2. Everybody okay with that? Holland, 22.
I want 21 miles.
21 miles per gallon. I like that. Jacob, 24.
I got 2/3 strawberries. Wait, what's the other one?
Wait a minute. He divided them evenly among 9 containers. So how do we do that?
9 divided by 13 and 1/2.
What did he divide? The containers or the pounds? Hold on a second, guys. What did he divide? The pounds or the,
Oh, I divide.
Yes.
I divide it opposite.
right, so what should it be, buddy?
It should be 13 and 1/2 divided by 9.
Yes.
That'd be 1 and 1/2 strawberries.
So it's 1 1/2 pounds
Pounds.
per container. All right, I'll post the rest of these answers, okay? Yes, sir, Huck.
Alright, it's because we did 13 and 1/2 divided by 9.
Yeah, do that. 13 1/2 divided by 9. He accidentally did 9 divided by 13 1/2. All right, like I said, I'll post this and then I'll post the other part.
This homework, right?